Okay, welcome. Today we're going to talk about the independent writing task, and I have an example question. It says, just 1 minute, I'll get a pen. It says the 20th century saw great change. In your opinion, so this is clearly an opinion essay we're going to write. What is one change that should be remembered? One change that should be remembered about the 20th century. 20th century, and I guess one is significant. So they're asking us, in my opinion, one change about the 20th century that should be remembered. I should use specific reasons and details to explain your choice, to explain my choice. So where do we begin? I think some note-taking. So let's start with some brainstorming first of all. So, changes in the 20th century. Well, of course, technology. Things like advances in agriculture, communications, and what else? Medicine, transportation, and maybe our understanding of the universe. Now then, I think that's enough. That's enough ideas for technology. Any other changes? Let's talk about cultural changes, perhaps. See the rise of America. 2 world wars, the end of the Cold War, any other changes I can think of? I think that's enough actually. I mean, what could we talk about here? Talk about agriculture. What could I talk about? I could talk about the Green Revolution, expanding population, feeding, using science and technology to solve the food problem. Yeah, that's important, but I'm not liking it very much. Communications, of course. The internet, mobile phones, internet's a big one, but really just the end of the 20th century. Change. Medicine, people live longer, better access to hospitals, better techniques, better technology. I can say a bit about that. Transportation, we've gone from the Wright brothers and flight, I think that was 1902, but I'm not sure exactly about that. Cars, but then you've got the downside, pollution. A train is a train, yeah, not really liking that one. Understanding of the universe. The understanding of the universe. So Einstein's Annus Mirabilis, his miracle year. where he wrote his 2 papers, which fundamentally changed how we understand the universe, and the work in that field ever since, exploring the very small, the very big, the subatomic. It's given rise to the electronic age, the information age. Okay, I think because I'm already at 5 minutes, I'm going to go with medicine. I think that's going to be my topic. So, let's get rid of all that. Medicine, and then what have we got? Developments in vaccines and drugs. We've got surgical techniques, and we've got what else? Yes, more hospitals, more doctors, better qualified doctors, access to medical care, for example. And then if we look at just expanding on these ideas, vaccines, we've got let's see, we've got measles vaccine, polio vaccine, drugs, we've got penicillin, antibiotics, surgical techniques, we've got laser surgery, and what else have they got? And keyhole surgery, and then access to medical care. You've got more hospitals and more doctors. Yeah. So I think we've got our outline. That is our thesis statement. And then take all of that, dub it in. Oops, a daisy. So, medicine, vaccines. Medicine is our one change. Vaccines and drugs in general. Measles vaccine, antibiotic vaccine, surgical techniques, laser surgery, keyhole surgery, access to medical care, more hospitals, and more doctors. I think that's a good start.